What's up, everybody? David, aka That Beard Guy Kansas City here. This review, we're going to go over a couple of different products by a great guy in the bearded community and in the hair/makeup community. His name is Jeff Chastain. His product line is Mask, M-A-S-C. We're going to go over the Kuschelbar Pro. We're going to go over his blow dryer, and we're going to go over his beard and hair sculpting paste. So, enjoy this. And I will see you guys when you get back.
Is this easy mode?
So, if it's your first time here, welcome. I hope you like what you see. If you're a repeat viewer, guys, as always, I appreciate you coming back. And if we're watching this video and you do like it and it's something you want more of, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. And as always, leave a comment. It's always great to interact with you guys. First thing on the list is this right here. This is the Kuschelbar Pro. This is the wired version. He does make a cordless version, which is $20 more than this one, which that's not bad if that's the preference you choose. It is a black matte rubberized finish on it. And the tines up top, deionizer here, all pretty straightforward stuff. The button on the back is for your temperature settings. It's got three. Red is 400 degrees, blue is 380, and green is 360. So whichever you prefer for your beard. Obviously, my judgment is short beard, medium beard, long beard. I use the medium one, and it seems to work great for me. So looking at the tines, as you can see, there's two separate layers. You got a short layer here and then a taller layer here with the heating elements across the bottom of the taller layer. Again, pretty straightforward, pretty standard. The thing about this is the ergonomics of it is what I enjoy. I don't have huge hands, so if you do, it might be a little rougher, but it just fits so well when I am straightening my beard out. It just works great all the way around. This runs $100 on the website. He does have Afterpay, so you can split it up, which is always a great option if that's what you choose to do. And let's be honest here. $100 for a beard or a hair straightener could seem like a lot. The other option is you buy a couple like I did, and you spend $25, $35 on each one, and 3 or 4 down the road, you realize you have 3 or 4 beard straighteners that don't straighten your beard. This one came along and alleviated all that for me. So, in my opinion, spend the money up front. Get something that you know works. You don't have to take my word for it. There's tons of other reviews on the Kuschelbar, but in my opinion, this is a good buy for your money. How does it work? I'm really glad you guys asked. And it really is that simple. This does have a 30-minute auto shut-off on it, so if you forget that it's on while you're taking a shower or after you get out of the shower, you forget to turn it off, it will shut itself off, which is another really cool feature. Packaging on the Kuschelbar Pro looks like this. We've got the Kuschelbar Pro, we've got Mask by Jeff Chastain, slide open just like this. And another thing I thought that was really cool that Jeff thought of is this right here, this little bag. So you could use it as a travel bag if you're traveling, or once it cools down, of course, wrap your cord up, drop it in here, cinch it down, and you can hang it somewhere in your bathroom, which is an excellent option. Leave mine out on a shelf just because I use it so much that there's no need to put it in a bag, but it is a really cool option. Next up is this magnificent piece of machinery right here. This is the Blown by Jeff Chastain. Very excellent name for a blow dryer. As you can see, it's that same rubberized matte black coating that he's got on it. His name, of course, right here along it, and then you have an air diffuser that comes off, or you can just use it straight away. This blow dryer, again, I think Jeff really shined in making this something small and compact. A lot of the other blow dryers I see have this long nose piece on them that comes about out to here, makes it difficult, gets clunky, gets in the way. This one sits right on my shelf in my bathroom, and it doesn't take up a ton of room. It's got 3 settings on it. You've got low, you've got high, and then you've got cold shot, which is up top. Most blow dryers I've seen have got a cold shot button. This one has got a switch to the cold shot. So they say you're supposed to use at least as much cold air as you do hot when you're blow drying. So it's really nice to be able to switch it onto there and just roll with it. All around, great looking, great feeling, great using blow dryer. And it's called Blown. So how hilarious is that? How does this one work? I'm really glad you guys asked that question. And that's that. I just got blown by Jeff Chastain. Packaging for the blow dryer looks just like this. Again, it's that matte black theme. Shiny black with the name here, masked by Jeff Chastain. Regular top, some cardboard fillings in it, and then you've got some product pictures on the side and the name. All around, I really think Jeff's packaging is amazing. He did a wonderful job, and I like that matte black, shiny black offset, and just all around cool, really cool packaging. Last but not least is this. This is GLORYHOLD by Jeff Chastain. Are you guys noticing a pattern? So the GLORYHOLD is a hair and beard sculpting paste. It looks just like this. It's got a sour cream type consistency to it, and it smells. It's got a scent. It reminds me of suntan lotion. That doesn't mean that's what it's going to smell like to everybody, but in my experience, getting GLORYHOLD by Jeff Chastain smells like summertime. So that's pretty cool. Just throw some of this in your hand, rub it around. It doesn't go clear like a beard butter does. It does look white when you have it on your hands, when you run it through your hair, but that does go away. And it does have more of a medium hold. Now, Jeff put out a video on this, and he's used it for a pre-treatment before straightening, almost like we would use a beard oil. It is important to have something on your beard when you go to straighten it, because that heat, I mean, that's straight heat, 380 degrees, like I use straight onto your beard without any protection could be treacherous. So make sure you're using something. This is also that black rubberized, got his name on it, product name, product information, directions, all that good stuff. So this is GLORYHOLD. Now, let's talk about pricing. So the Kuschelbar Pro is $100. Like I said, Jeff does have Afterpay that can be used on all of these products, so that helps out, especially right now. The Blown by Jeff Chastain is $60, and the container of GLORYHOLD is $40. So for the whole set, you're looking at right at $200. If you use balms or butters or oils, what I would say for pre-treatment to straightening, then the GLORYHOLD won't come in much handy for you. The blow dryer and the straightener will. But if you want something different to use for a pre-treatment, pick up the GLORYHOLD. Why not? You have nothing to use. Jeff is a professional in his field. He knows what to use, he knows how to use it, and he knows how to get it out to other people. So I trust his judgment. Overall, this review, it's on 3 great products. I would recommend all 3 if that's what you're looking for. Like I said about the beard straighteners, guys, it's much easier to buy the right thing one time and spend a little bit more money than it is to buy 4 products that none of them do what you're looking for, and you've essentially thrown your money in the trash. Blow dryer wise, $60, is it a lot for a blow dryer? I don't think so. I've seen some that go upwards of $200, $250. I've never used one, but my theory is it probably does about the same thing as this does. This is preference, right? My preference is to have a nice ergonomic, good looking set that goes in my bathroom. And if you don't have a blow dryer, this one will do everything you need it to do, so why not? This is a big thumbs up from me. A recommendation, I say yes, I say go for it, and knock yourself out. I mean, treat yourself a little bit, right? We're men, do a little man pampering for yourself. Get some products that really work, some essentials if you're gonna grow out your beard, or even if you have a short beard, some things to get ready for when you have a large one. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a great time making it. And until next time, be awesome to each other.